Hello, welcome to Hero to Zero English. Today we will discuss on IELTS Writing Task 2 Essay 2-part questions. In two-part question type, you will be given two questions and you will need to answer both questions. The two questions will be different. Now let's look at how to structure your essay for a two-part question. Structure. Introduction. Sentence 1 Paraphrase question. Sentence 2 Outline sentence, mention both questions. Main body Paragraph 1. Sentence 1 Answer first question directly. Sentence 2 Explain why. Sentence 3 Further explain. Sentence 4 Example. Main body Paragraph 2. Sentence 1 Answer second question directly. Sentence 2 Explain why. Sentence 3 Further explain. Sentence 4 Example. Conclusion. Sentence 1 Summary. Typical question words. There will normally be a statement and they will then ask you to answer to separate questions. Example question. As most people spend a major part of their adult life at work, job satisfaction is an important element of individual well-being. What factors contribute to job satisfaction? How realistic is the expectation of job satisfaction for all workers, as the majority of adults spend most of their time at work? Being content with your career is a crucial part of a person's health and happiness. This essay will first discuss which elements lead to job satisfaction and it will then address the question of how likely it is that everyone can be happy with their job. The two most important things that lead to someone being satisfied at work are being treated with respect by managers and being compensated fairly. If those more senior than you respect you as a person and the job you are doing, then you feel like you are valued. A fair salary and benefits are also important considerations because if you feel you are being underpaid you will either resent your bosses or look for another job. Their two factors came top of a recent job satisfaction survey conducted by Monster.com, that found that 72% of people were pleased with their current role if their superiors regularly told them they were appreciated. With regards to the question of happiness for all workers, I think this is and always will be highly unlikely. The vast majority of people fail to reach their goals and end up working in a post they don't really care about in return for a salary. This money is just enough to pay their living expenses, which often means they are trapped in a cycle of disenchantment. For example, The Times recently reported that 89% of office workers would leave their jobs if they did not need the money. In conclusion, being satisfied with your trade or profession is an important part of one's well-being, and respect from one's colleagues and fair pay can improve your level of happiness. However, job satisfaction of all workers is an unrealistic prospect.